A whispered glow in shadows sweet. Echoes drift where time won't meet. Softly, softly, the silence flows where it begins. No one knows. Softly, softly, the stillness grows. A thread of light, it weaves, it bends through hidden doors and quiet ends. Breathe in secrets. The air pretends. Do you feel it? This quiet tide. A pulse within where stars collide. Softly, softly, the silence flows where it begins. No one knows. Softly, softly, the stillness grows. A fluttered thought, a gentle sway, like paper wings that drift away through veils of dreams. They softly play. The sky hums low beneath my feet. A whispered glow in shadows sweet. Echoes drift where time